Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming you can access settings, unlock the phone, and make sure it has charge. Once done, sync your Google account or backup critical files. This prevents data loss if something unexpected occurs. Now open Settings, then tap Security or Lock Screen and Credentials depending on your Android version. You're taking the first actionable steps to reach the screen where lock methods are managed, so keep the device in hand and follow exactly to avoid reboots or missteps. You'll authenticate with your current PIN, pattern, or password. This is required to change security. Once authenticated, tap Screen Lock Type and you'll see options like None, Swipe, PIN, Password, and Pattern. Choose None to remove the lock. If None is unavailable, first select Swipe then None or disable biometrics under fingerprint settings. Make sure to read warnings about decreased device security. After confirming, the lock screen will be disabled and the device will go straight to the home screen on wake. Once you've removed the lock, immediately test by locking and waking the phone to confirm it skips the lock screen. If it still prompts, check Google Smart Lock under Security. Turn off on-body detection or trusted places because they can override settings. If you can't authenticate to make changes, boot to recovery is risky. Instead, use Google Account Recovery or visit a service center. Make sure to re-enable a secure lock if you handle sensitive data or if the device will leave your possession.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.